Hey, welcome back. Thanks for checking in on us. We're tired, but I think that's everybody after a move, right? Well, here's the progress that we've been up to these last couple months of moving our beautiful little bead and yarn store to a much bigger location. So as you can probably imagine, we have been doing lots and lots and lots of painting, and then more painting, and then more painting. And then on top of that, lots of cleaning. Lots and lots and lots of cleaning. So it had been a really, really, really long time since anyone was in this space before us. So yeah, you can see. You're doing great, kiddo. You're the best mopper I've ever seen.
I can even stay in the dark, but not in that one.
Yep, that's pretty cool.
It's not pretty dark, but at our house it is, so we can't go dark at our house.
That's fine. You're doing great.
The whole door wet. The whole door, yes, wet. I can just do this forever. I think I need more.
So after we got enough of the painting done, we started to move the bead walls. So this was probably my favorite part of the whole entire move. Not only because it was the prettiest part of it all, but it looked like progress was getting done. So special shout out to Kurt, who was like Hercules, like Superman, hanging all the slat wall. And then also a special thank you to Aaron Hicks, an artist from Collinsville, who painted the most incredible mud cloth inspired beads and knit stitch inspired prints on the other wall. I had these ideas and I sent him inspiration pictures and he totally nailed it. So I don't know, it's just so pretty there. But yeah, we spent a whole entire month taking down beads from the walls in the old store and then hanging up those beads and more beads in the new store. I know it probably doesn't sound like it would take a whole entire month, but the camera doesn't show how big this space truly is. There's lots and lots and lots of beads. So it was a lot of fun to get to just kind of go through and sort everything out, hang out with my friends. It's cool that I have a life where I work with the people that I love doing the stuff that I love. So it's really special. You can continue.
Yeah, Bead Place brand in the shopping cart now.
You want to push it? Can you push it? Oh, wow.
Strong girl. Stop. Don't run it into the wall. Nice.
Take it.
Yeah.
Okay, can I see the video?
Alex is trying real hard to get these
I got it.
to get these broken strand boxes put inside the envelopes. We've discovered that like bubble mailers can stretch a little, so they work a little bit better than than actual boxes. We're trying. Parker's helping us season the chalkboard in the classroom. She's doing a great job. We're getting it ready for our very first party in the new location. And the very first party is Parker's 5th birthday party.
Who are you calling?
I'm not calling anybody, I'm taking a video. So we're getting ready for the party tomorrow, and we figured now's as good a time as any to season the chalkboard wall.
Not your chili pasta.
Do
Pasta.
T, yep,
H. Okay.
yep. D. Yep.
A.
Yeah.
And Y.
And
Happy
one.
birthday, dear Parker. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Okay, now blow out the candle.
Again. Yay!
Woo! There we go. So I'm at the old Bead Place packing stuff up and like cleaning out the last of the stuff that we're like throwing away. And the guy that bought the building, he's going to do renovations. And he's like, oh, we've got this big dumpster that we delivered to the parking lot to make stuff easier on you guys. Why don't you just throw all your stuff in our big dumpster? And I would if I could, like, you know, open it. Or if I could, like, you know, be tall enough to throw all my junk up there. So I'm really glad that we have this little dumpster in the back of the parking lot still, because I can't reach this. So I'm going to put all the stuff in the tiny dumpster and not use this big old giant heaping dumpster, because I can't. I'm not tall enough.